Okay, hello.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Good evening. How are you tonight?
I'm great. What about you?
How are you?
I'm great.
You're great. That's good to hear. Okay. Okay. Now, Lynn, we are going to have Pet 4 reading test 1. Okay? Let's see. I will share the screen, Lynn.
Yeah. Teacher, what are you going to learn today?
Okay, for a while. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is your question?
What are we going to learn today?
Today we're going to talk or to discuss on Pet 4, reading Pet 4, test 1. Okay, here. It's Pet 4 now. Okay, so in reading task, we have here reading and writing task. Okay, so in this one, yeah, of course, we have 5 parts. And every question has 5, of course, questions. Every task, first task, all in all, there are 35 points. Okay. In the first task, we're going to have read 5 real words. Second, each match 5 descriptions. And the third task, we have scan a longer factual text. And fourth, read a longer text. And the fifth one, read a factual or narrative text. Okay, so for this one, it will take 1 hour and 30 minutes, but we cannot have that, of course. So first in questions, okay, do you have paper with you? Lynn,
Yeah.
do you have paper?
Yep.
Of course. Now, look at the text in its questions. What does it say? Mark the correct letter for A, B, or C on your answer. Okay, so this is only the example. I know you are very good of this. Okay, just observe it properly, Lynn, and try to study the pictures here. No bicycle against the glass, please. That's the example. Okay. Okay. By the way, are we done with this? No, not yet. Yeah, not yet, right? Okay, not yet. Those are only example. Okay, here. So for punctual, we have here, there are some vocabulary words, or there are some words that considered as vocabulary words. Okay, words that need or that will be added in your list. Okay. First is punctual. You know what is punctual, Lynn?
What is punctual?
What do you mean by punctual? You know that word?
No.
Okay. Punctual means very early. Happening or doing something at a range or correct time, not late. Okay? When I say punctual, not late. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay. When we say punctual, it's adjective. Okay? It's adjective, like I will say, Lynn is always punctual. That's adjective. Lynn is always punctual. But when I see punctually, it's adverb. Okay? I will say, Lynn arrives home punctually. Okay. So the same things, this is this is not late, the same meaning, but this is only adverb. Punctual is adjective and punctually is adverb. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we say punctually here, you can see here, there is ly. So therefore, it is adverb. Okay, next, painless. You know what is painless?
Painless.
Yeah, painless.
Is difficult to do.
Difficult to do, causing no pain. No pain. Okay, nightlife. You know what is nightlife?
What is that?
Life that happen at night.
Ah.
Okay, when you have happenings that happen at night, it's nightlife. Next, okay, do you understand this, Lynn?
Yep.
Punctual, punctually, painless, nightlife. Okay, do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next one here. Okay, now this is the time for you to take the test. Please answer the activity and also please try to be careful with the words. If you think you are done, please tell Teacher Ann, okay?
Okay.
Okay, start now, Lynn.
I will write all of this in my paper.
What, Lynn?
I will write all the answer in paper.
Okay, it's number one only. Number one is look at the pictures. Okay, you pick A, B, or C. Write the letter of your choice. Don't copy, just write the letter, okay?
Okay. I know the answer.
Okay, what's the answer for number one?
I think it's A.
Okay, University Library. Please wait here while we check your books. What's the answer, Lynn?
It's A.
Hey, let's see. Very good. Here, feeling any better when you're back at college? Remember to register to the film course. Email me if you want any information about. Why has Kim emailed Sally? Just what's your answer for this?
I think it's C.
Letter A, let's see. Letter C is the answer. To remind her to do something. Okay. Actually, A and C is just near, very near. So probably you might wonder it's letter A because they are just the same. Almost the same. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go. Kaylin to the next. Okay, you answered it. Please read the pictures carefully and tell me if you're done. For a while, I need to drink water, Lynn, first.
Okay.
Tell me if you're done, Lynn.
Okay.
Okay, just tell me if you're done.
I think it's A.
Okay, how about number 4? What's the answer for number 4?
Number 4 is...
No, number 3 first. What's number 3? Hospital waiting room. Please put all...
I think it's A.
Okay. Please put all your children's toys back in this room before you leave. Letter B is the answer. Please don't leave any toys outside the room when you go. Okay, number 4. Okay, did you read it properly? Please read it. Read and kindly understand. Okay, if you tell me if you're ready.
Number 4 is... I think it's A or B.
It's number 4. What's number 4?
I think it's A or B.
A or B? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's A. Very good. Dennis Rang, don't take the main road to McDingley. There's been an accident and you won't get to the march. Okay. And you won't get to the march. Go through Drayton instead. So, to arrive punctually, Ed should use different route. Okay, number 5. Very good. Number 5, what's your answer, Lynn?
Number 5.
Number 5, what's the answer for number 5?
I think it is
It's?
let me read it.
Okay, you read it first.
I think it's B or C.
Okay, it's letter B or C. Is that your answer?
I think.
Okay.
I think.
Not as big as City Square. Not as big as a city as we expected, but that's okay. Limited nightlife, though there's a plenty to see every day, and traveling around is painless. Again, not as big a city as we expected, but that's okay. Limited nightlife, though there's a plenty to see every day, and traveling around is painless. What's the answer? What's your guess?
Guess is B or C.
B or C. Yeah, very good. It's evening entertainment. It's all about nightlife, evening entertainment. You know entertainment?
Entertainment?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know this.
Entertainment is like program, it's like activity, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, like nightlife, if like there's band. You know what is band?
Yeah.
Yeah, band. Band is considered at nightlife. If you watch in a band, you consider that you are watching nightlife. Okay, if you go to the band, you watch the band. Okay, like the Blackpink. The Blackpink will going to have a concert. Going to the concert, it's part of nightlife. Okay, if you go to the band and you listen to the music, that's nightlife. So it's entertainment. Entertainment are, there are people who will going to present, who will going to sing, to dance. to entertain people, to make them laugh, to make them amazed, like that. That's entertainment. Do you understand me, Lynn?
Yeah.
Do you understand, Teacher Anne?
Yeah, I really understand.
Okay, thank you, Lynn. Okay, next here. So in question 6 to 10, Lynn, the people below are looking for a college course. On the opposite page, there are description of 8 college and courses. You decide which college A to H would be the most suitable for each person. Okay. Here. Okay, before that, we have here some words. Okay. Okay, first is, look at this one. Accommodation. You know what is accommodation?
Yeah.
Okay, what is accommodation?
It's like a place that you need to live.
Okay, accommodation is the place where we stay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so like here in number 6, Anna is finding accommodation. He is finding a place to stay. That's accommodation. Next is part-time. You know what is part-time?
Yeah.
Okay, so part-time is means what does it mean for part-time?
It like we in Vietnamese they mean like a cell times.
Okay, what do you mean by part-time?
It's like a cell time.
Okay, self-help. So yeah, part-time is just like I will study in the morning, and of course, I will have to study in the morning, and I will study in the morning, and I will I will work in the morning, and I will study in the night. I will work in the morning, that's part-time, and I will study in the nighttime. So that's part-time. I will work only in the morning, or I will work only in the morning. I will study in the afternoon. That's part-time. Okay, not all, not every day or not whole day I will study, only half day. That's part-time. Okay, do you understand part-time?
Yeah.
Okay, full-time. When we see full-time, Lynn, is that when we see full-time, it means that you will have to study full-time from 8 in the morning at 5 in the afternoon. That's full-time. Okay.
Okay.
Spare time. What do you mean by spare time?
Spare time like a free time.
Yeah, very good. Spare time is the free time, your free time. Okay. That's your free time is your spare time. So here we are going these words. These 4 words will come out in this. Okay. In the different person. Okay, now we have here different courses. Okay, look at the different courses. Okay, Hillman College, College with Date Facilities, Kemp College, Kirby College. Okay, please take note. Okay, please take note the different colleges. But before that one, please take note first the persons here. Okay, number 6, you tell Anna. Anna, okay, can you read about Anna, Peter, Maria, and then you pick your answers from here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you write in your notebook all about Anna, all about Peter, and then you answers here. You pick your answers from here. You match, example, you match Anna to letter G. Anna will going to Denny College. Okay, example with that. Okay, so please take note of the persons here before you can pick the courses. Okay, go, Lynn.
With me. Let me take notes.
Kilian.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, you're finished. Are you ready to pick? Are you ready to match this person?
Yeah.
Okay, first, Teacher Ann will try to tell you about the person first. Anna is 18 years old and she wants to do computer studies. So more about computer so that she can work in an office. Okay, she wants to have part-time. She would like to study in London but is worried about finding accommodation. So number 6, Anna wants to have part-time. Next is Peter. Peter is 19 and wants to be a sports teacher. He is very good at sports, especially running. He wants to go to college outside London. Number 8 is Maria. Maria used to teach in secondary school, but now wants to teach in a primary level. She wants to do a part-time course in London. That's Maria, a secondary school teacher. Number 9, Stefan. Stefan works in a computer industry and wants to go back to college for a year to do a diploma in advanced computer studies. He lives in London and wants to study there. Okay, he's already working in computer industry. This is Stefan. Number 10 is Ali. Who is Ali? Ali wants to do computer studies like Anna. He would like to do a full-time course. Anna wants to have computer part-time. Ali wants to have computer but full-time, which includes sometime working in industry. In his spare time, he plays football. Okay. Do you take note everything about these people? Are you ready now, Lynn?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Let's move this. You pick your answers from those persons. Okay.
Teacher, I will choose Maria first.
Okay. Maria first. Okay, where is Maria?
Yeah. Is I.
Letter A, let's see. Maria wants, as far as I remember, Maria wants to have computer studies and want to have part-time. Am I correct? I know, not
No.
Maria. Okay, no. Okay, Maria, what number is Maria?
I think it's I.
Okay, Maria is number 8. Okay, a secondary school teacher. What's the answer for Maria? I will take note. Okay, what's your answer?
I think it's I.
Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Maria is A. Next. What's next? We'll just reveal the
Is
answer
I
later.
correct? Am I correct?
Okay, later we will reveal the answer. I will tell you the answer. Okay, next.
Wait.
Next is number 6 is Anna.
Yeah, wait.
7, Peter. Wait, and number 9 is Stefan. And number 10 is Ali. Okay. Your answer for Maria number 8 is, what is your answer? Letter A? Letter A? Lynn, letter A, Lynn?
Let me read.
Okay, go, Lynn. You can do it, Lynn. Go.
I will say Peter first because I think it's B.
Letter is B. Okay. How about Anna?
Anna, I was choose A.
Okay, go. Anna wants to have computer studies and wants to, what's that? wants to have part-time?
Yeah, I think is H.
Okay, Anna is letter
H. I think.
H. Okay. Stephen and Ali only. You find Stephen and Ali.
Stephen, I think is D, and Ali, I will choose F. Teacher?
We have answers for Anna, we have answers for Peter, and we have answers for Maria, right? Stephen and Ali wants to have computer studies, but for full time. And his spare time is he play football. And Stephen already has a work in the computer industry, but want to take another advanced courses for computer.
Yeah, I choose D and F.
Okay, what's number 9 for Stephen? Lynn?
Is F.
F?
Yeah, I think.
How about Ali? What's the answer for Ali?
Ali is D, I think.
Ali wants to have full time.
I think I choose D.
Ali is? Stephen is D?
Yeah.
Okay. And Maria and Anna is letter H. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anna, the one who have part-time. Which do you think here offers part-time? What university offer part-time?
Can you say it again?
Yeah.
Can you say that again?
Okay. I will, what do you mean? What is it, Lynn? I will show you. Okay. I will say it again. Anna, B. Is that your answer?
Yeah.
Peter, H. Maria, A.
Yeah.
Is that your answer? Oh, this is what your answer. I did not give correct answer yet. Stephen, D. Ali, F.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, please correct me. Okay, if I'm wrong. Okay, I will show the answer now. Here. Okay, 6D, 7B, G, H, and E. Oh my God. Okay, I know this is quite hard and it needs a little or more about reading. Reading and focus. Lynn? Hello, Lynn. Where are you, Lynn? Okay, so
yeah,
I know you can answer this. You got 2 correct answers here. 2 correct answers. Okay, based on what I hear. I know this is quite hard because you have to focus on reading, okay? So with this one, we have other activity. I mean, other words. What are the other words, Lynn? Facility. You know the words facility?
Now what is that?
Okay.
It's like a materials in the house?
No, facility is like a material, like ball, like the bat, like the net. They are facility for or they are materials for sports. Do you understand?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diploma. You know what is diploma?
Diploma.
Yeah, when you go to college, you need diploma.
It's like we use that when we like study all of the university and we have that.
Yes, exactly. When you graduate in college, you can have diploma. Okay. How about term or semester? Do you understand term or semester?
Yeah.
Okay. Term or semester, this is first semester, second semester, third semester. This is term or semester here. Next is particular. You know the word particular?
Particular, yes, this was like special.
Yeah, very good. It's particular. It's where you are particular with. Are you particular with that? Yeah, of course. I am particular with that. Okay. Next is, okay, we have facility, diploma, term, and particular. Do you understand those words, Lynn?
Yeah.
Do you understand facility?
Yeah.
Diploma, you understand?
Yeah.
Term, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Lynn. Now, look at this one. For questions 11 to 20, look at the sentences below about European travel. Or do you want to travel in Europe?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, Europe is a beautiful place. Read the text on the opposite page to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. You will only say mark A for correct and you will mark B for incorrect. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, A and B only. Okay, here. Just put A and B. A for correct and B for incorrect. Go, Lynn, for 11 to 20.
Okay. I need to read out of it.
Yeah. Just write A for correct, B for incorrect. Yeah.
Teacher, I remember you're the teacher.
Again?
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah.
You done this with another teacher?
Yeah, I remember that.
Maybe it's different. Because we already in PET 4. You've done with PET 3 only, not PET 4.
Teacher, is this paragraph is like about the ship and travel around the world, or in a ship around the sea or the ocean, something, remember?
Yeah, this is European destination. You will have traveling in Europe, the different places in Europe. Just answer A for correct and B for incorrect.
Wait a minute, let me read.
Okay, sure, Lynn.
I remember that I just remember that I was this.
Okay, so do you remember this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to next. Okay, wait here. Oh, sorry. What happened? Okay, so because we are reading. Okay, by the way, Lynn, we will continue this. We will continue our lesson on when? We'll be having listening test next. We're done with reading. So we move to listening test. We don't have enough time for now. So we'll be moving to next lesson on when are we going to meet again? Sunday, Lynn?
Nope.
When?
Next week.
Yeah. Yeah, teacher is very forgetful. Tuesday, I guess. Tuesday, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Teacher is very forgetful. Can't remember any. Okay. For now, Lynn, thank you. Where is your face? Okay. We will have to do another activity on Tuesday for pet. Where are we? We are now pet here. Pet for listening test. Pet for test for listening, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. For now, Lynn, thank you very much for being with Teacher Ann tonight. And if you want assignment, please tell Teacher Ann, okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye for now, Lynn. Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Where is your face?
Yeah.
Oh, here you are. Okay, Lynn. Good night, Lynn.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you on Tuesday. Bye-bye, teacher.